Hey guys! Samahan niyo ako mag-unbox ng aking 12/12 makeup haul. So let's start! Excited ako kasi ngayon lang ulit ako nakapamili lahat ng mga makeups na kailangan ko for next year. Quick trivia lang ha. Talaga ako bumibili ng mga makeup products monthly, kahit yung mga trending pa. Kasi feeling ko, every month meron. So every month ako mabubudol. So ang ginawa ko ngayon is, naging practical si ate mo. Nagkaroon tayo ng delayed gratification moment and worth it naman siya. Kasi lahat na ng mga gusto ko, nabili ko. And guess what? It's on sale, girl! It's on sale! Sa buong eco bag to, girl. Yeah! So lahat yun yung unbox natin today. By the way guys, lahat to ay gift ko sa sarili ko because I deserve it. So let's start. The first item is from Glamfix. Spell pack. So, proof na rin to kapag ka may damage. Oh! So this one's the first item. Uy, medyo malaki. So this one's from Essie. Well, packed siya, girl. Actually, ito yung pinaka-last item na dumating. Pero ito din yung pinaka-unang item na i-order ko. But it's okay. Alam niyo ba, ang tagal ko nang gustong i-try yung foundation ng Essie. Pero, lagi ako nagdadalawang isip kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung perfect shade sa akin. Ooh. This one is freebie, guys. This is the customizable eye and face palette. Thank you, Essie. So next is yung kanilang Essie Skin Perfecting Powder. Actually, repurchased ko na to, guys, from last year. Sobrang sagad na nung last na bili ko nito. And it's time for restock. And yes, the Active Foundation by Essie. Ito talaga yung pinaka-hinihintay ko, guys. And nakuha ko siya on sale. Yay! I'm so excited to try this. Talaga. Kaya abangan nyo. Puro makeup vlog na tayo sa mga susunod na kabanata. Next items! From Happy Skin and Fairness. Ito lang yung may magandang packaging sa lahat. Yes! Yung Happy Skin Lip Malo in full size. So, ang pimili kong shades ay yung Nostalgia and yung Low Key. Next items is from Color Red. Dito naman sa Color Red, first product ko to. Hopefully, magkaroon ako ng more products from them. Then, yung aking binili, yung kanyang eye mascara. Ang dami ko kasing reviews na napanood and nabasa na maganda daw to. One of the best local eye mascara sa Philippines. So, I'll give it a try. And hopefully, magustuhan natin siya. Let's try new things, diba? Ganun lang. Try new things lang. Ganyan. Explore. 3 items left. Okay. This one is from my twin, Lucky Beauty by Miss Andrea B. First time ko lang din makakuha ng product from Lucky Beauty. And hopefully then, mag-work siya for me. So, naghahanap kasi ako ng concealer na maganda for my dry skin. And si Lucky Beauty yung isa sa mga nasa top best local concealers in the market. Yeah! Ito daw ay serum concealer. Iba siya sa mga usual concealers na na-try ko before, which is creamy yung texture. But this one I'm excited to try kasi serum concealer siya. And I think it's really perfect for my dry skin. Kasi ang mga gusto kong products talaga ay yung mga nakaka-hydrate ng skin. So, hopefully, it'll work for me. Next is from Sunny Space. So this one is another concealer. I'm excited to try this one too. Ang hindi nyo na makikita dito sa makeup haul is yung mga blushes and bronzer kasi meron pa ako. And eyeshadows. Meron pa kasi ako nun, so hindi mo na ako bumili. Pag naubos na lang, tsaka kapag sale na. Kasi nga si tita mong tipid. Next! For the last item, again, it's from Essie, one of my favorite local brands. Ang kanilang, tan-tan-tan! Setting spray! Yeah! Ito talaga, pinagpuyatan ko to. Nabili ko to ng buy one, take one. So, ang laki tipid ko dito, guys. 4 yan, oh. It's full size to, ha. So, yung isa pala is yung By Face Setting Mist. Ito yung prepping mist nila, which is really hydrating. And then, yung isa is yung kanilang all-day setting spray, which claims na maganda rin. One of the top best local brand setting spray. So, I can't wait to try them, guys. And, yeah, yun lang naman. Ito lahat yung mga pinamili ko for myself this holiday season. And hopefully, next year, magawa ko ulit to. And I'm so happy kasi lahat nabili ko, guys. I can't wait to try them on. So, more makeup vlog series soon. And that's it for today, guys. Bye!